morning, students. I hope everyone is safe and staying at home. Yes, in the previous class we discussed about the mitochondria, rest of the cell organelles. Now we will discuss about the in this class ribosomes, plastids, vacuoles. So ribosomes. When you see the cell, small granule-like structures which are present in the cell, they are called as ribosomes. So they are made up of proteins and RNA. They are made up of proteins and RNA. Understand? So that's why ribosomes will take active part in protein synthesis. They help in the formation of proteins. So when these ribosomes are two types. Ribosomes are two types. They are free ribosomes and attached ribosomes. Free ribosomes. So when they scattered freely in the cytoplasm, they are called as the free ribosomes, and they are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Already we discussed. When they attach it to the endoplasmic reticulum, they are called as the attached ribosomes. So both of them they involve in the protein synthesis. Now we'll discuss about the plastids. So plastids are the rod-like structures you will observe in the plant cells. So these plastids are three types. They are so plastids are three types. They are leucoplasts, chloroplasts, and chromoplasts. Leucoplasts means these type of plastids are they are colorless. They are colorless. Mostly they are present in the roots. And chloroplasts. So these plastids, all the plastids they contain pigments. So chloroplast, it is a cell organelle which contain a pigment called as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. So because of presence of this chloroplast in the plant cell, plants are green in color. So these chloroplasts they help for the photosynthesis. Because of presence of this chloroplast, we are getting the food. Plant prepare the food, and the food directly or indirectly is supplied to us. Then we come to the chromoplasts. Chromoplasts are the colored pigments. You see in the plants, fruits, flowers, they are different colors. So the colors are added to those flowers or fruits because of this chromoplast. They are in different colors: yellow, red, brown. So we should discuss about the structure of the chloroplast. When you come to the chloroplast, it is a double layered structure. It is a double layered structure, and it contains the membrane structures. They are called as thylakoids. They are called as thylakoids. So these thylakoids are present in the grana. So grana are the stalks of thylakoid membrane, and the fluid present in the chloroplast is called as stroma. So thylakoid membranes they contain chlorophyll. So this chlorophyll trap the solar energy and help for the preparation of food. So the food will be formed in the stroma. Okay. Then we will discuss about the vacuoles. Vacuoles also they are present in the both plant cells as well as the primitive animal cells. So in the plant cells you see these are the vacuoles. When the cell is small, there are so many vacuoles are present. So as the cell matures, all these vacuoles a big vacuole. They form a big vacuole by pushing the nucleus aside. They push the nucleus aside. So each vacuole is surrounded by a membrane. The membrane is called as tonoplast. It is called as tonoplast. Okay, and the fluid in the vacuole is called as the vacuole cell. So what is the main function of the vacuoles in the plant cells? So these vacuoles they exert the Turgor pressure. What is the Turgor pressure? It means it pushes the plasma membrane outwards. It pushes the plasma membrane outwards. That is called as the Turgor pressure. And what is the main function of the vacuole? So the vacuole is send the waste materials from the plant cell. Vacuoles they send the waste materials from the plant cells. So this is about your different parts of the cell. Already we discussed all the cell organisms in these three sessions. So now we will discuss about the history of cell size. What is the history of cell size? When I am drawing, you can see the length and breadth. But all the cells they are three dimensional. They have length, breadth as well as the thickness. Thickness is nothing but its height. They have the length, breadth as well as the height. Now we come to the history of cell science. When you come to history of cell science, the cell is first discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. So after that, 200 years, there are no discoveries or no inventions in the regarding cell. In 1831, again Robert Brown discovered the nucleus. He discovered the nucleus. Then Anthony von Leeuwenhoek he observed the unicellular organisms in the teeth scrapings and the different fluids in our body by using the microscope. Then Schleiden is a botanist. He observed the cell wall around the plant cells. And Schwann is a geologist. He observed that cell wall is absent in the animal cells. And these two scientists they proposed the cell theory in 1838. In 1838, these two scientists they proposed the cell theory. In 1856, another scientist his name is Rudolf Virchow. He observed the cell division. He observed the cell division means one cell is divided into two cells. Afterwards, this statement comes added to the cell theory. So now we will discuss what are the postulates of the cell theory. What are the statements of the cell theory? Cell theory is first proposed by Schleiden and the Schwann. Schleiden is the botanist and Schwann is the geologist. So the first point of the cell theory is all the organisms are made up of cells and their products. You see from the microorganisms to man, they are unicellular and we are multicellular. Our body contains so many cells, but the functions are different. So they said that all the organisms are made up of cells and their products. And the second statement is all the cells are originates from their pre-existing cells. Means one cell is divided into two cells. So these two cells they are originated from this one cell. So from this another two cells. That's why all the cells are existing from their pre-existing. All the cells are originated from their pre-existing cells. This is the second statement. Third statement is all the cells are made up of similar chemicals and they show similar metabolic activities. All the cells are they made up of similar chemicals and then they show similar metabolic activities. That is the third statement. And the fourth statement, functioning of the organism. The functioning of the organism depends upon the functions carried out by the cell. For example, you take liver cells, they function differently. The cells in the kidney, they will function differently. The cells which are in the digestive tract, they function differently. That's why functioning of the organism or functioning of the organ depends upon the function carried out by the cell. So this is about your first lesson. All of you go through the these are all the points. Again, I will send you a worksheet